So in this tutorial we will going to explain each and everything about the Revit tools. Okay,
Yes.
so from the beginning there is a wall.
Yes.
Okay, and if you will click on the wall, there is a lot of wall will be appear here.
Yes. Type
Okay,
of walls.
types of
Yes.
okay, so here is we have concrete, generic, foundation. Okay,
Yes.
exterior, interior,
Yes.
whatever walls you need. But in the beginning we will discuss about the basic things.
Yes.
Okay, so you can use concrete wall. Okay, and you can assign anything if you want.
Yes.
If you can use a generic wall, you can assign any material on it. Okay, so I am taking generic 200.
Yes.
Okay, so what is generic 200 means? If I am using this generic 200, okay, and I am clicking on it, right click and cancel, it means you execute this wall. Okay,
The thickness is 200.
if you want to check the length, you can check from here, or if you want, you can give also, you can change also here. Suppose 10,000 I am doing this one. Okay, this is the height you can give from here. Okay, suppose I am doing is 8,000 or 3,500. Okay, so the height is changed.
Yes.
Okay, you can go here in elevation.
Yes.
And you can check. Okay, if you want to make it 3600, is 3600.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So this is the wall you can use, and in this wall, if you want to change anything, okay, so you can go in the wall, and if you choose any wall, like this one, I'm choose this one, so it will be storefront. Okay, this is a glass wall.
It's a glass wall.
Got it?
Yeah.
So there is a lot of wall, one by one is better, you will check.
Yes.
Okay, again I'm going to the generic 200, or you can do one thing also. First to select generic 200. Okay,
Yeah.
now in the wall we will do one thing also. Here you understand this one. Okay, now go to the edit type. Okay, when you will go edit type, the all properties of this wall will be appear here.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to the edit. Okay, I'm doing this preview. Okay, in this preview you can check here is the category. Yes. Of material.
Structure one.
Okay, and this is the core, means between both of faces. Okay. So here you can choose the material, because that is a generic, so there is no any kind of material specifically. So now here you can use the material whatever you want.
That is the normal.
Now go to the insert and go to the upside. Okay, and here you can choose any material, any color, anything. Okay, so suppose I am using this color and use render appearance. Okay, if you want to change, we can change in appearance also. Okay, here, but now I'm not changing anything.
Yes.
I'm only doing this one. Okay, so first I change color, I'm applying, and okay, you have to give it here. Suppose I'm giving 2 mm 12 mm for the plastering. So this is
What is the
this is the thickness of
plaster?
This is this surface. I'm doing 12 mm, you can change if you want. Okay?
That is the plaster.
For the plastering inside. Okay, now you can take one more, go to down. Okay, here again you can choose the different color. Suppose this wooden you want. Okay, render appearance. Okay, and okay, again you are giving here 12 mm 20 mm whatever. Okay, if you are using tiling, so you will take according to you. Okay,
That's the plaster.
Ha.
It's inside and outside.
Outside and inside, both
Outdoor
faces.
and indoor.
Both faces. Okay, now I'm doing it. Okay, apply, and okay, now you can see this size change.
Yeah. The other side is changed also.
And other size also change. Okay, so both faces you can change. First thing. Okay, second thing is, if you want more, you can take here. Okay, in edit type, whatever you want, you can go and you change here. Okay, so it's better.
Just always insert then up.
You have to insert for the layers. Okay, if you want any layers. Okay, and lot of items is there, so you can take any material. When we will discuss about the particular material topic, then you will understand about the complete of material. Okay, now I'm closing this. Okay, now go to here in architecture tab. Again go here. There is a lot of walls.
Yes.
That all has having their own surfaces. Yes. Okay, so you can create. Now I'm going here, not defined. This is the glazing wall. Okay, yes. Or curtain wall. So this is curtain wall I'm taking here. Okay, this is only the glass.
Yes.
Okay, in this case what you can do, suppose I need, there is a frame.
Yes.
But there is no frame.
That's
right now.
glass.
So go to the Mullion.
Yes.
Okay, or curtain grid also you can take.
Yes.
I'm going to the Mullion. Okay, in Mullion we have grid line, all grid and grid line. So I'm taking this one line, and you, if you want to make segment, you can make segment also, but not I'm taking, I'm only doing this one by one.
Yes.
Okay, because if you have segment you can take this one. If you want to complete whole frame, you
Yes.
can take this one. So I'm taking one by one, so you will understand better.
Yes.
So click here, it will be the frame.
Yes. Outside frame. Yes.
Okay, if you have grid, so you can take grid. So there is a curtain grids. Okay, if you want to make grid, so you can make grid also. There is a distance between them, you can make the distance also. Okay, now these are the grid line. Now you can use that Mullion, or you can take this segment also and this one also. It means complete grids will be converted into the frame.
Yes.
And this one means one by one segment. See? Okay, got it. Now again, if you will go in wall, okay, and now suppose I am taking this one same, and I am doing this one. Okay, now you will see when I'm selecting this one, there is, we need the frame. Okay,
Yes.
it's connected, but there is, we need frame, because every corner of joint of glasses we need frame. So what we can do here, again go to the Mullion. Okay, I'm doing the all grid. I'm doing the all grid. Okay, but here when you will see it,
Double.
okay, double. So what we can do, select the frame and delete this. Take this frame. Okay, and go here. You have lot of options here. Okay, V shape. First you can create this one, like go to the top. Okay, so here you will understand better.
Yes.
Suppose official setup we are doing. Okay, and now I'm going to the 3D. So go to the Mullion, check this, check this, check this, and check this. Automatically it will be connected. Okay, like if you will not do like this, it will be difficult for connection. Okay, so now I'm going again Mullion.
It's better than the.
Okay, now in this case I also want to use, but I want to use to connection of these both.
Yes.
So click on it, go here. We have lot of Mullions here. Okay, V, square, quad, corner.
One corner.
Okay, suppose I am using this one, it become corner.
It will be connected.
Okay, size of Mullion you can change it from here.
So
The thickness I am giving here, suppose 65. Okay, so you can see the thickness of the frame will be 65 according to your frame size. Okay, you can make. And then if you want to change the length,
the frame size.
if you want to change the length, you can change here, 150 by 150. Okay, so now the way you can change the these corner grids. Okay, so like this you can assign the frames also in your office wall. Okay, now, so I hope this storefront grazing also is there, is the same like that. In that case we have to create, in this case already we have. Okay, only you have to, what you have to change, there is a already grid. You can take Mullion, you can select and you can create the Mullion. Okay, if you want all the grid, yes, all grid will be applied. Okay, so and size and everything you can change easily. So I hope you understand these walls. Okay, and there is a lot of thing you check. If you have any doubt, you comment and ask. I will definitely give you answer. Okay. Okay, thank you.